Let's eat! Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today, I'm going to be making some mini Christmas wreaths. So, if you're in a holly jolly mood and you're ready for Christmas, then stick around for this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I've already made my cake batter, and I just used a box cake, Betty Crocker, and just, white. You can use whatever flavor you would like. We're going to go ahead and get started with dyeing our cake batter, the color green. I am using plenty of this food coloring because I would like my batter to be a nice dark green. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put our cake batter into a measuring cup. I'm doing this because I do not have the piping bags. If you don't have the piping bags or a measuring cup, you can also use a Ziploc bag and just cut the corner. But this is going to work. Go ahead and get you a donut pan. And I got this from Target, and it's made from the Food Network. Really cool pan, and I've made donuts as well in this pan. But go ahead and spray your pan so we don't have any sticky cake. Be sure not to fill each hole up to the rim, because if you do, then you will lose the hole in the middle effect. Alright, now we're going to put these in the oven for about 15 to 19 minutes on 350. But be sure to follow your instructions on the back of your cake box. Alright, while our cake is in the oven, we're going to go ahead and work on our icing. Now, I chose white because I'm going to be dyeing my icing. So go ahead and put your icing in a bowl, and you're going to put it in the microwave for no more than 15 seconds. Alright, our icing is melted just enough. We're going to go ahead and put in our red food coloring. Now, I'm going to be putting a lot because I want to make sure that my icing is red enough and not pink. Alright, our wreaths are ready. As you can tell, I had to poke the middle because I overfilled my pan, but no worries, it worked out. Alright, now it's time to start dipping our wreaths in our icing and then decorating them. Guys, I found these bows at Michael's. They are so cute and fun. When I saw them, I said these are for my video. So go check out Michael's if you want these cute festive bows.